The epithelium of the urinary tract doesn't fit into the conventional classification scheme for epithelia. It's stratified, but the cells don't have a constant shape. When the bladder is distended, the uppermost cells are stretched into a squamous shape. And when the bladder is empty, the cells round up into a cuboidal or columnar configuration, as you can see in this image. So this epithelium is given its own category called transitional epithelium. You may worry about how to recognize transitional epithelium in a section if it has the capability to change from squamous to cuboidal or even columnar. Fortunately, transitional epithelium is a specific type of epithelium instead of a general category. It occurs only in the urinary system and is recognizable by its specific characteristics along with other histological characteristics of the particular part of the urinary system you're viewing. As in all stratified epithelia, it's the surface layer of cells which is specialized. These umbrella cells of the bladder are very distinctive. They're large, making this the only stratified epithelium, at least that I'm aware of, in which the top layer of cells is bigger than the cells right underneath them. Another visible specialization is that some of them have two nuclei. I'll discuss the specifics of transitional epithelium in my lecture on the urinary system. For now, the interesting thing about this epithelium is that it's a square peg in our round pigeonhole classification scheme. Most of the generalizations that we make in histology have rare exceptions, like this one. In fact, there is one epithelium of maybe 1 square centimetre in total area that even has blood vessels running in it. Thus, the patterns that the tissues of the body follow are not absolutes, but the result of widespread functional or genetic or developmental generalities. And this makes it even more impressive, to me anyway, of how regular most tissues are. Epithelia can have edges, or lack basal lamina, or include blood vessels, but rarely do. And this makes biology so much richer than perhaps physics, where patterns are simply dictated by laws that allow no exception. Now, this has been an unusual epithelium. In the next short mini lecture, I'm going to talk about some epithelia that, because of their uniqueness, are given special names.